The hadith was, I was destined to be the seed of the prophets, and this was during the creation of Hadrat Adam alayhi salam. She would like to know
before the creation.
Before the creation.
When he was turning in the mud of his creation.
Yes.
Now this is one of those hadith which you should quote to your friend in Bosnia who wants to understand the true meaning of Khatamun Nabeen. The term Khatamun Nabeen, according to this tradition, is timeless and spaceless. Ahmad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, according to this hadith, was most certainly Khatamun Nabeen, even before the creation of Adam. So why did Adam come? Why did any prophet after him come? No prophet should have ever appeared after Khatamun Nabeen, unless you agree to the fact that the Khatam does not mean no prophet can come. Only if you understand from the word Khatam that he is the supreme. After him, no person equal to him or better to him can ever appear. According to God, he was Khatamun Nabeen in the blueprint of creation. When you go for creating a building or anything, engineers make a blueprint. So in this hadith, Ahmad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam is referring to the blueprint in which before anything was created, Muhammad Rasulullah sallam was in that scheme of things. And he was created as Khatam. So anything which followed could not violate his being Khatam, unless somebody believed that he was better, equal or higher, which is impossible. Please.